All the students are requested to mute themselves. According to requirement, you have to unmute. Okay, kindly mute yourself. Okay, one more minute we will wait so that all can join. No interruption is required. Okay. Mute yourself. Still sound is coming from your side. Mute yourself. Okay, then I think I should now start the class. Okay, now come to the topic. So it's a class, combined class now for class 9A and B. So within 2 or 3 minutes you have to join. Good. Because in between I can't move again and again for making them to admit in the class. First of all, you need to join the class, and after waiting, I will just start class. See here again and again many students are joining. So just join, then I will start the class. Okay. Now, okay, good morning to all of you. Just listen. I think we have started chapter work and energy in section A as well as B also. Anyone? Uh, the chapter sound that was not in our syllabus, but we had finished them. We had also completed all the questions that had been given in our NCERT, and after that we had entered the last chapter that is in our syllabus, work and energy. So I think okay. Just try to hear the sound. It may be problem from the net side because some or different students belongs to different area. So kindly listen my sound and also the video audio. If one is clear, then that will be benefited for you. So you have to take care. Okay. So first of all, clear me one thing that in class 9A, its video is very okay. Just see now. One thing first of all, tell me in class 9A, I had completed the work type of work And in class 9B, had I started or not? Anyone tell me? 9B? 9B? No, I had not started. Yes? No. Okay, then I think these are combined class from today. So now I will again start. Only one topic we have gone through. So again from a starting, I am today starting the same chapter. First and let's see. 9A and 9B different sections are there. Now combined. So now no need to ask separately. Now, so I have taught you that work and energy in this chapter. Mainly our target is to study in detail regarding the energy, but work is also there, and I had taught you that especially this was earlier named as work, energy, and power. So how work, energy, and power are associated to each other? We have to see them. So before starting this session, our target is to discuss regarding the work. So we will start from the work. Now, first of all, you need to write the definition. So how will you define? Just try to understand. And after that, you have to complete in your notebook and take care. It is not necessary that you have to write my statement. You can write yourself. Only you need to understand the terms, topics. You can go through the books also, and after that, you have to prepare note copy. If you understand each and everything, all things are same. Different way will be there, but the answer is only one. So I'm just making you understood how to define work. If anyone asks, define work. So I have taught you in general way the work is very much different from the definition of the work in physics. So according to the physics, what happens, especially the work depends upon two factors, force and displacement. The force and displacement are two factors that specify the term work. Now, one by one, take care. If we apply, this is the object. Let's see. If we apply force on the object, this is the body of any mass. If you apply the force on this body, then this S is the displacement. If you apply force on the body, then displacement will take place. Yes or no? Tell. If you apply force on the body, then displacement will take place. Yes or no? Yes. Of course. Suppose I am applying force on this wall, no displacement is taking place, and I am applying force on this body, displacement is taking place. So may and may not. That will depend upon the magnitude of the applied force. Na? So just see, if you apply force, then displacement may be and may not be. Both possibilities are there. But if the body is at rest and some of the displacement takes place, it means what? Force has been applied. Yes or no? Tell me. If body is at rest, we have applied force, our body has displaced, it means force has been applied 100% sure. Without application of force, there should not be change in the state of the body. So, for the displacement force is required. If displacement has occurred, force is involved there. But if force is applied, displacement may be and may not be. That's why the mainly our target will be to apply the force. No, our target is mainly to see the displacement has taken place or not. It means in short, If no displacement is there, even you have applied the larger force, you can't say the work has been done. Because this displacement is zero, you have applied 500 Newton, but no displacement is there. No displacement. If this displacement is zero, 500 is zero, that work is zero. No work has been done. So on this basis in physics, the work has been explained that if the force applied on a body, some displacement takes place, then work is said to be done. And you can write, the work is said to be done if the applied force causes some displacement in it. You can change the statement, you can change the language, you can write your own words. So in class, especially in class of science, try to understand only. And if required, you can note it down. But the statement, language, words should be your own. Okay. So now we have defined the term Varna. So when the force applies on the body and some displacement takes place, then work is said to be done. Two factors we have seen, well, force and displacement. So if you are writing first time, you need to write that this is F force and S is the displacement. First time you need to explain so that note copy should be very much clear. If your juniors see or take the help of your note copy, they should be able to understand the notes copies should be like that. Now, come to the point. This is one of the formula for force. Work. And one general formula is also W is equal to Fs cos theta. This is our formula. This is also formula. In your book, the first one has been given. But yes, yes. ऑडियो वीडियो कुछ नहीं आ रहा है। देखो तो आ रहा है, आ रहा है, आवाज नहीं आ रही है मेरी? अच्छा सुनो ना, अच्छा हम ऐसा करते हैं कि रिकॉर्डिंग मोड अगर होता है तो हम इसको डाल देंगे ग्रुप में, ठीक है? अगर वीडियो का रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा होगा तो हम इसको ग्रुप में भी डालेंगे, और उसके बाद भी दिक्कत होगी तो यू कैन आल्सो कॉल, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाइल कॉलिंग मी आफ्टर क्लास गेट्स ओवर। बात करके भी हम लोग बात कर लेंगे। अभी हम लोग यहाँ आते हैं। तो दिस इज द जनरल फार्मूला, बट इन आवर क्लास 9 theta, this is just trigonometrical terms, T ratio. We had taught, I had also taught you in second chapter, force and laws of motion. So this cos theta, about this I had taught you what is this, how it affects the term. So here our target is to understand this theta. So if both are the correct formula, it means both are same. Of course, this is in vector form. Further, if you go, you will find how this cross product of two vectors can be written in this way. So we will define, after that we will write formula, and when you categorize the types of work, then those type of formula will be used there. So see, our next topic is types of work. How many types of work is there? So on the basis of both the formula, two parts I will just join. The first one is W is equal to F into S. In second one is W is equal to Fs cos theta. Just see. On both types you can go. How you can define either this or this. So here the first one is positive. अजय आवाज नहीं आ रही है, तो इसमें अब तो हम once again I am telling, ये नेटवर्क इशू हो सकता है, इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम कोशिश करेंगे कि द class gets over, recording will be sent to your group. I will send you recording will be sent in Guru, I will send because due to network issue, I can't tell you anything. I am just here standing. I am explaining my lecture. I am making the but if the sound is not reaching to you, it's not my problem. And for assistance, I will send the recording to you. Okay. So first one will be positive work. How will you define this positive work? So we have to focus on these two terms. Force displacement. If both are in same direction, if you have applied force in this direction and displacement has taken place in the same direction, it means work done will be positive. When the force and displacement are in same direction, then work done will be positive. Just see, positive work done. First case, positive work done. And just similarly, the second case, you can define force and displacement opposite to each other. If it becomes the second case, second negative one, what will happen? This time, force and displacement are opposite. You can write force in this way, displacement should be this way. So when the force and displacement are in same direction or in opposite direction, then work done is said to be negative. Very simple. These are the simplest definition. Here, it may be difficult for you. Means difficult means in comparison of the first one, but both are very small. I am just providing you the simplest definition. So first positive one, second negative. Now the third one, zero. Zero work done. So now this time opposite same, this time perpendicular. This is the force and this is the displacement. Or you can write this is displacement, this is force. This is 90 degree. It means when the force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, the work done is zero. So this is one of the simplest way to define the types of work. One more formula is there. So how to define the basis of this? This was the formula for force into displacement. Simplest formula. And here you need to write the formula. After that the drawing and then three types of yes. Any problem? First of all, you need to this, and here you can draw a simple formula that this is the body, and we have applied force, and the body is or simply it has moved to a distance. This is S. This is S. So this formula has this figure, and after that, three types of work you can explain. This is regarding this formula. Okay, once again, positive, negative, zero work done will be explained with the help of this formula. So now I am coming to the second segment with the help of which you can again get three definitions. But in examination, it's a simplest. Force displacement in same direction, positive. Opposite, negative. Perpendicular, zero. Now, come to the second formula. This formula. Just see. W is equal to Fs of theta. This was the second formula. Now, under this A, positive one. B, negative 1 and C 0 1. Just see. Once again, we will define this page with the help of this one. What will be its formula? Sorry, figure. After writing the formula, we need to draw a figure. So we will draw a figure. Just see. This is the body. Sometimes what happens, to displace the body we need to apply force in this way, but sometimes in the case of luggage, when you come down from the train or bus, you keep the luggage holding with its finger and then you move and it will move. So how do we apply the force on the luggage? Just see, we pull in this way. This is the direction of applied force, but the luggage moves along this direction. It takes place in this way. It will move in this way. So this is the displacement. This is the force in between this. There is an angle theta. You can write W is equal to Fs cos alpha, Fs cos phi, Fs cos gamma. If you write alpha, here it will be alpha. If you write phi, it will be phi. Means this is the angle between force and displacement. Take care. If you say theta, alpha, beta, gamma, phi side, it means what? This represents the angle formed between force and displacement. So first of all, you need to write here. What is theta here? This theta is the angle between force and displacement. Just take care. You have cleared regarding this figure, na? The second formula, second figure, and after that, with the help of this figure, we will again categorize positive, negative, and zero work done. Just see. This is the complete figure, na? Now it is showing complete. Now, see. First of all, try to understand the terms. It's a very simple. In the science class, I have told you many times. Don't go through the reading. Don't go through the books. Target is to make the terms clear in our mind. If it's clear in mind, we can explain each and everything. First of all, I had taught you in class the value of theta, cos theta. Theta is the angle 0 degree to 90 degree. You can find any value. Sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, sec. These are the T ratio, trigonometrical ratio, 6 ratio. So the value, either you can 1 degree, 5 degree, 10 degree, 100 degree, 1000 degree, 5000 degree, 386, any angle can be measured by using formula. So especially here, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, last year books, these values have been given. So if cos theta is 0 degree, cos 0 degree is 1 and cos 90 degree is 0. It means what? And the angle increases, the value of cos theta will decrease. So let's see, this is the maximum value, this is the minimum value. Slowly it is decreasing and reaching to 0. So between 0 to 1, all the values are positive. Here the value is 0, and after that reducing 0, after that it will become negative minus. So especially this factor W, work will be positive, negative, 0. That will depend upon this factor cos theta. So you can just see and you can define, yes sir. If theta will be positive, then F into S into positive value, work will be positive. If it is 0, 0, work will 0, because Fs into 0 is. So just see first is positive. When theta is what? Theta is in between 0 degree to 90 degree. Theta is less than 90 degree. Theta will be less than 90 degree. Then what will happen? Cos theta will be positive. 90 is less value, cos ka positive. The cos theta becomes positive. Therefore, W will be Fs into positive value. It will become positive. Now, if in the examination you have to write this, you will not get in mark. So this is matrix. I am making you understand. Now I am going to convert this mathematical form in the statement form. Just see. How will you write? Not theta. Because I had just explained theta, alpha, beta, gamma, phi, psi, n. How will you write positive one? When the theta means when the angle between force and displacement is less than 90 degrees, then cos then the work done is said to be positive. क्यों work done said to be positive? Because cos theta becomes positive, so the work done. Once again, listen. You need to write this. Then you will write here. When the angle between force and displacement is less than 90 degrees, then work done is said to be positive. Similarly, when the theta is greater than 90 degrees, what will happen? Cos theta will be negative, therefore work done will be negative. And when theta is 90 degrees, then cos theta, cos 90 value is 0, therefore work will be 0. Just remember the first case W is equal to Fs. First case I had explained force and displacement are perpendicular. Force and displacement are perpendicular. It means the angle between force and displacement are 90 degree. 90 degree perpendicular means 90 degree 0. So actually both are same. Only in different way we can explain. Okay. So if you have to be asked that define zero work, then what will you write? First, when the force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, then work done is said to be zero. Second, on the basis of this, if the angle between force and displacement 90 degrees same. Second, zero work done case. If the force is applied on a body, but still no displacement takes place, it means work done is said to be zero. Because F into S is 0, F into 0 become 0. So listen, zero case, especially it is the case of zero work done. So two formula for work I have given, two diagrams I have created, and two times the types of work we have explained: positive, negative, zero work done. By with the help of the both formula we have explained. So take care. If you are asked, you are free. You can go through any formula. It is not necessary that this is difficult for me, sir. So I can't explain. Okay, you can't write this. You can go through that. The force and displacement are in same direction. Then the work done will be what? Positive. So this is each and everything regarding the work done. Now I had to make you clear with the help of one of the example. Sir, in our day-to-day life, how will we match these conditions with the events? So just see and try to understand. This is the last topic. This is each and everything regarding work. Not a special anything more is to be left. Now we have to move energy. But before that, one example I will provide that will provide you negative, positive, and zero. Let's see. Sometimes what happens, the question is asked, and the students just see. I write am I having a load of 50 Newton on his head covers a distance of 20 meter long. Find the work done by C. 20. Just see the question, and if you can provide me the answer, just